On your home page, click on the notebook icon and then hit the plus in the bottom right. Type the name of the notebook and hit save. And then go down to the magnifying glass and we're going to do a search. We're going to put in the word promise. We're going to go under speakers and click on President Nelson. We're going to go to the first talk that appears there and the first usage of the word promise. Highlight that, click on the notebook icon, and then you're going to click on the notebook itself to add it to it. We're going to hit the little arrow on the bottom left to take us down to the next occurrence of the word promise. We're going to highlight that and again click on the icon up for the notebook. Click on the promises notebook and there you go. We've added both those quotes in there. When we go back into the notebook itself now, we can click on the three buttons to the far right and we can create a note and add our own thoughts that'll be attached to that quote from President Nelson. There you have it. You've got a wonderful notebook now that you can add all the quotes from President Nelson where he makes promises on behalf of the Lord.